Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I will show you how to block website in browser Windows PC. Okay, now see you're on screen. This website I am going to block in my PC. This video is education purpose only. I am not responsible for any data loss. Okay, now open Notepad. Type here on search Notepad. Right click on Notepad. Click on run as administrator. Okay, click on S. Now click on file, click on open C drive, click on Windows, click on system 32, click on drivers, click on etc. Now you see no folder shown here. Select here all file. Now click on host. This is our host file. Now type here IP address 127.0.0.1 and type website or paste here website. Type once again website here. Type IP address 127.0.0.1. Okay, type here website. After this, save this notepad file. Okay, close this. Now open run command. Type cmd, run as administrator. Click on yes. Type here in run command ip config /flash dns. Okay, command shown on your screen. Okay, after type this command, hit enter. Okay, after this close run command or command prompt. Open Chrome browser and search here Google Chrome browser. Open. Now type here website, or I am select here website from history. Okay, now you see on the screen this site cannot be reached. Okay, that's it. Now check Edge also, Microsoft Edge. I am copy this blocked website, paste here. Now you see cannot reach this page. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.